Welcome. This is not just a story. This is not just a biography. This is an emotional journey. This is the life of a man who made the world laugh but lived in pain for years. This is the story of Jim Carrey, one of the greatest comedians and actors in the history of film, but also one of the most lonely, broken, and misunderstood human beings off-screen. In this video, you will learn more than just the timeline of his life. You will learn what true suffering looks like, what real dedication feels like, what it takes to keep going when everything is falling apart. You will learn how from a broken, poor Canadian family who once lived in a van became one of the most famous and highest paid actors in the world, not by luck, but by relentless belief, mental training, and emotional strength. This video will help you learn powerful life lessons from Jim Carrey's real story, understand how to handle failure, depression, rejection, and identity crisis, improve your English by listening to easy, clear storytelling in a real emotional way, train your brain to think clearly, feel deeply, and express powerfully in English, because this story is told in simple, slow, clear English. It is perfect for English beginners and learners who want to improve their vocabulary, understanding, and listening power while feeling something real. So sit back, listen carefully, feel everything, and get ready for a journey that might change your life. Part 1. The Boy Who Couldn't Afford to Dream. Jim Carrey's childhood and family pain. Jim Carrey was born on January 17, 1962 in a small town called Newmarket in Ontario, Canada. His full name is James Eugene Carrey. He was the youngest of 4 children in a lower, middle-class family. His father, Percy Carrey, was a musician and accountant. His mother, Kathleen Carrey, was a homemaker who suffered from chronic illness and depression. From the outside, it looked like a normal family, but inside that house, there was a lot of emotional pain. His father was a talented saxophone player. He had dreams of becoming a professional jazz musician, but he gave up those dreams to support his family. He worked as an accountant. Even though Percy was funny, full of character, and talented, he never truly lived his dreams. This made a deep impression on young Jim. Jim once said something powerful about his father. My father could have been a great comedian, but he didn't believe that was possible for him. So, he made a safe choice. Instead, he became an accountant. And when I was 12 years old, he was let go from that safe job. That taught me something. You can fail at what you don't want. So, you might as well take a chance on doing what you love. That idea of taking a chance on your dream came from watching his father fail at the safe path. When Jim was around 12 years old, everything collapsed. His father lost his job, and suddenly, the family had no money. They went from living a simple, okay life to being homeless.